Next we'll be doing the defibrillator pacer test. First we're going to turn the unit on by pressing the green switch on top. Then we're going to remove our therapy cables by pressing down on the arrow of the therapy cable connector and pulling straight out. We're going to verify that a lead fault message is selected and make sure that we are on lead 1, 2, or 3 on the left. Next, we're going to switch to a pads view. And when the pads view is selected, it's going to say check pads. Now we are going to connect the multifunction cable to the test connector. We're going to do that by removing this adapter piece by pressing on here. And the test connector is this small black test load that is connected to the cables. We're going to attach that, it only goes in one way. And we're going to reconnect our cables to the monitor. You have to line up the two arrows. Make that happen. When we have done that, we're going to make sure that the check pads message is replaced by a short detected message, as we see here. Next, we're going to press the energy arrow up or down. We're going to see that we have the pads short detected message right there. Then we're going to select 30 joules, which is already selected. So down to 30 joules. And that's what we need for our test load. Make sure you do have that test load still plugged in. We're going to charge. Should take no more than 7 seconds to charge, and you should hear that tone. This is going to illuminate red, and press the shock. Now we see Defib short test passed is displayed. If the message Defib short test failed displays, contact the appropriate technical personnel or the Zoll technical service department. After the defibrillator display panel closes, press the pacer button on the front panel to display the pacer settings dialog box. Press that there. Verify that the pacer settings dialog displays with the pacer status bar behind it. So we see the pacer status bar is back there in yellow. We perform the following steps. We're going to set the pacer mode to fixed. We do that by selecting here, demand or fixed, it's not fixed. Set the pacer rate to 60. So select rate, we go up or down, go to 60, and output to 100. Select output, go up or down, so we get to 100. Now we're going to select start pacer. So it's currently pacing. I'm going to exit out of this dialog box so that you can see what's happening. We see that the pacing short detected is displayed. We're going to make sure that the status bar right here is flashing every 1 second, that green flash. And we see that about every 25 millimeters we're having a pace there. Verify that no pacer-related messages display. Now we're going to disconnect the test connector from the multifunction cables, which is this black box here, and verify that the message displays check pads, and then now we can exit out. Go to pacer and turn pacer off. Verify that the pacer settings dialog is closed and that the pacer status bar is removed. So we're kind of back to our home screen that's been removed. That is the positive check.